How to increase font size in Windows 10. So let's start it. First of all, we minimize this and click on search here each of access keyboard setting. Then click on it and you can see here display option are available. Then click on it and you can drag on left and right and adjust your uh, favorite size of text, and I prefer 150. So I can give the mouse and click on apply. So you can wait and you can see here the text are bigger than previous text because I मैंने बढ़ा दिया है टेक्स्ट को 50% पहले से. So I increase the size of 50 of text about 50%. So I can change the previous size and click on apply. So this is how to change the text size in Windows 10 or 11. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe us and like, share and comment.